Well, we come out on a job. We got a Kinsey planter that the row units are broke on. And every one of the units you can see up in here are cracked. I've went through and just touched them with a grinder to clean them up just a little bit. So we'll get them back into place, get everything welded up. I'm probably just going to use a 3/32 6010 and see what we come up with. Probably a multi-pass on each side. We got our dog here with us. It's all good. Well, we're done with the planter. Wasn't nothing big about it. We had the crack right there. Crack worked out real well. I was able to open it up, get a keyhole, 3/32 6010 rod, and burner in there, filled it in, got them all welded up. Turned out pretty good. So we're off to the next one.